Greetings, good people. It's your main man, H. Cortez here, the one and only financial health mentor and founder of the Money School. And today, it's all about the network marketing school. What exactly is network marketing? So as you can see, I have Wikipedia pulled up, and I'm just going to read you the definition because I've always been told that documentation beats conversation. Multi-level marketing, also called pyramid selling, network marketing, and referral marketing is a marketing strategy for the sale of products or services where the revenue of the MLM or multi-level marketing company is derived from a non-salaried workforce selling the company's products or services, while the earnings of the participants are derived from a pyramid-shaped or binary compensation system or a commission system. So basically, it is a marketing strategy where a company will, instead of spending money on traditional advertising, such as radio ads, commercial, or social media even, they would rather pay individual contractors or business owners to sell and promote that company's products for them. So that's what network marketing actually is. It is a solid marketing strategy because a company can literally recruit thousands and even tens of thousands of independent marketing representatives to go out and tell everybody about their products and services. And every time a sale is made, the company cuts that particular marketing rep a check. In addition to a marketing rep making income from its own production, that marketing rep can also recruit other independent business owners and build a network of marketing agents, thus the term network marketing. So you build a network of agents and you allow and you train that network to get good at marketing, promoting, and selling products. And they get paid, and you as a recruiter gets paid a percentage of their overall revenue that they generate for the company as well. So let me just talk to you briefly about myself. I am an advocate of the network marketing industry. However, I do know that it is not for everyone. I do know what it takes to succeed and what are some of the things that you can do to quickly fail. And I'm going to try to, as objectively as possible, give you the pros and the cons as we continue to move throughout this module of the basics of network marketing here in the Money School. So what I want to do quickly, because I know a lot of you, if you are in the industry or thinking about the industry, you hear the word pyramid tossed around quite frequently as if network marketing is something illegal. So what I want to do is jump over to the IRS's website and give you their perspective on what network marketing actually is. Now, as you can see, this is the IRS.gov's website. This is a publication called Retail Industry Audit Techniques Guide. And basically, this is the guide that they use to train their IRS auditors to audit specific businesses according to the specific industry. This is the retail industry, and within retail, you have direct sales or multi-level marketing. So let's just see what the IRS has to say about direct selling. Direct selling provides important benefits to individuals who desire an opportunity to earn an income and build a business of their own, to consumers who enjoy an alternative to shopping centers, department stores, or the like, and the consumer products market. It offers an alternative to traditional employment for those who desire a flexible income earning opportunity to supplement their household income, or whose responsibilities or circumstances do not allow for regular part-time or full-time employment. So that is speaking directly to people who want to make extra money, or people who may be suffering some sort of disability and they can't do traditional part-time or full-time work. They can do something like direct selling. The cost of an individual to start independent direct selling business is typically very low, which is a major selling point for entering into this type of self-employment. Usually, A modestly priced sales kit is all that is required for one to get started, and there is little or no required inventory or other cash commitments to begin. This stands in sharp contrast to franchise and other business investment opportunities that may require substantial expenditures and expose the investor to significant risk of loss. So here's the IRS saying that the network marketing model is a solid model for people who want to make extra money, people who may be suffering from some sort of disability, and people who want to get into entrepreneurship without a tremendous amount of risk, right? So let's just read on a little bit. Let me scroll down one more time. Direct selling companies, sorry about that. Come on. Direct selling companies market their products. I'm trying to move the cursor at the same time. Through person-to-person contact away from a fixed retail location through a network of independent sellers. Frequently, these sales presentations are in the home in the form of sales party or through door-to-door solicitations, or sometimes as part of a get-together, one person to one person. In any case, these approaches are all considered direct sales. In addition, direct selling provides a channel of distribution for companies with innovative or distinctive products not readily available in the traditional retail stores, or who cannot afford to compete with the enormous advertising and promotion costs associated with gaining space on retail shelves. So talks here about why a company will employ a direct sales model to getting its products and services out there. It also talks to the hotel party, the get-together, the home party or business presentation. The IRS is selling that these are all valid methods of operating a direct sales business or a network marketing company. This selling method should not be confused with terms such as direct marketing or direct or distance selling, which may be described as an interactive system of marketing that uses one or more advertising media to affect a measurable response and or transaction at any location, with this activity being stored on a database. So this is not the same as direct marketing or distance selling or selling over long distance. This is peer-to-peer. But let me get to this section right here, because I want you guys to understand this and be confident if you are in network marketing or considering network marketing that is 100% legitimate. And this, again, is coming from the IRS. As you can see, I'm on the IRS's website reading one of their publications. There are two types of direct selling companies: single-level marketing or multi-level marketing. Single-level marketing companies reward direct sellers for their own personal sales activity. Single-level marketing sellers cannot take on other distributors or sales representatives. Income comes from commission or bonuses on sales, and in particular on that particular representative's sales or activities. Right? Now let's see what they say about multi-level. In a multi-level marketing company, sales representatives are able to sponsor other distributors or sales representatives and receive a commission or a bonus on the sales made by their underlying resellers, or in other words, their downline. If you're in the industry, you've heard the term downline. This recruitment of downliners is necessary to increase a sales representative's sales force and thus generate a greater number of sales. MLMs are often referred to as network marketing companies. Now, here's what the IRS says about the dreaded term that we deal with often in the industry: pyramid schemes. Multi-level marketing differs from an activity called a pyramid scheme. Pyramid schemes are illegal scams in which large numbers of people at the bottom of the pyramid pay money to a few people at the top. The success of a pyramid scheme relies upon a never-ending supply of new participants, right? Pyramid schemes seek to make money quickly. Multi-level marketing companies seek to make money with their representatives as the business grows by selling their consumer products. Multi-level marketing companies have a startup fee that is small, with a starting sales kit being sold at or below the company cost. Multi-level marketing product depends upon sales to the consumer and establishing a market. Guys, so this is what the IRS says about the industry, right? And I'm going to show you this real quick. Now, this publication is a little older, and I also want to show you what the industry is doing currently. So direct selling is a rapidly growing industry. U.S. sales totaled $29.5 billion in 2003, up from $26 billion. And this is what it says about the industry when this publication was created. Currently, there are an estimate 13.3 million people involved in direct selling. Well, again, documentation beats conversation. So let's go and see what the current facts are as it relates to direct selling. This publication comes from the DSA.org. This is the Direct Selling Association. They track all of this entire industry, and they help to maintain the integrity of the industry. So direct selling in the United States 2017 fact sheet. There are 18.6 million direct selling representatives in the United States, right? In the United States alone, U.S. retail sales were $34.9 billion in the U.S. Now, I want people to understand how fundamentally this industry is valid and what we typically can compare this to. So 34.9 billion in 2017. MLB is about 9 billion. NBA is about 10 billion. NFL is about 10 billion. So we're talking about an industry that is bigger than Major League Baseball, NFL, and NBA combined, and people love to throw out the word scam or scheme. We don't say the NBA is scheming or scamming little Johnny because it encourages them to perfect their game to maybe one day become a professional ball player, right? But we know the odds are slim to none for little Johnny to become an NBA player, an NFL player, right? But we still promote and we encourage little Johnny to work on his game. Well, network marketing is very similar in that if you don't put in the time, energy, and effort, it's hard to become a super success story and make tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars if you don't develop your skill set, right? Just like little Johnny has to work on his game, as a network marketer, you have to work on your skills of relationship building, communication, training, sales, systems, all of that stuff that goes into running any other business. You have to develop those same skills to run a successful network marketing business. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the global statistics of what network marketing is doing worldwide. And you can see it says that, and this is from the World, let me see, what is it called? The World Federation of Direct Selling Association. So they track globally what's going on in direct sales. And as you can see, has reported recently that direct sales industry sales volume was 189.6 billion in 2017, representing an increase of 1.6 compared to the previous year. This is good, but not that good. So it just basically shows you that globally, direct sales is approaching $200 billion per year in revenue. And yes, you can get yourself a piece of that pie. So hopefully you learned a little bit about network marketing. We will go into other lessons on network marketing, like how to choose a good network marketing company, some of the pros and cons of network marketing, and I will give you my honest opinion about some of the things that are negative with the industry versus some of the things that are positive with the industry, as well as how to pick a good network marketing. And then I'm going to do a special video on the hidden benefits of network marketing, especially if you are here in the United States. And I'm just going to leave you with this teaser. It has to do with the tax code. So go ahead and hit continue to go to the next lesson in this particular module, and you continue to learn about what network marketing is, what it is not. We appreciate you for tuning in and becoming a member of the Money School. If you happen to be seeing this on YouTube or Facebook, anywhere outside of the Money School, go to www.themoneyschool.com and go ahead and enroll. You're going to be amazed at some of the things that we're teaching for free to help people become more financially literate. So I'm H. Cortez. Until I talk to you next time, get your money up, because you absolutely can do it. But more importantly, you deserve to do it, each and every single one of you. Now hustle up.